let's talk about license. Okay. I think you
License.
never learned this before because you didn't take action two in Wadatul Ummah. So I think it's gonna be the first time for you to learn about it. Oke, kita akan belajar tentang license
License.
atau word
Or
connection
connection.
atau dalam bahasa Pabelianya sering disebut link up. Oke. What are we going to learn in this section? Di link up kita akan belajar mengenai eh, bagaimana cara menyambungkan kata dalam bahasa Inggris. Sometimes we are very difficult to catch the foreigner speaking. Kita kesulitan untuk mengerti orang luar karena mereka berbicaranya cepat, ya.
Yeah.
And they use license or link up. Mereka menggunakan license atau link up atau disebutnya juga word connection. Oke. Apa namanya? Koneksi kata. Nah, it's very interesting because moreover in the school, right? Even in the particular course, they will not teach about word connection. Biasanya nggak diajarin secara teoritis gitu. Jadi kadang nggak bisa praktek sendiri. But mostly in Pare biasanya sih ngajarin tentang word connection ya biasanya. Nah kalau misalkan di sekolah you will not get it, alright? Oke, ada 4 situasi di mana kata itu disambungkan, Dika. Link up. Link itu tuh menyambungkan, oke? Disambungkan. Yang pertama,
Consonant.
ada consonant to vowel. Oke,
Verb.
saya selalu bilang konsonan itu biasanya bisa dilihat dari huruf akhir ya, atau bisa juga ditentukan sama suara akhir, Andika. Andika kan belum pernah, bukan belum pernah ya, mungkin di Fabelia pernah belajar tentang phonetic symbol yang ada konsonan sama vowel tuh, yang ada logo-logo, simbol-simbol. Maybe you forget about it.
Yeah.
Nah, itu tuh simbol-simbol itu merepresentasikan suara yang kita keluarkan. Misalkan read, belakangnya apa read?
D.
D,
D.
suaranya D. Misalkan brush, belakangnya apa? Brush.
Sha. S.
Sha ya, bukan
Sha.
H ya. Nah, konsonan to vowel ini suaranya. Oke. Kayak misalkan ini. Ini ada come in. Ini kalau misalkan berdasarkan huruf, ya nggak mungkin dong karena ini vokal ketemu vokal ya. Bukannya
Mm-mm.
nggak mungkin, maksudnya bukan maksud contoh yang di sini gitu. Jadi suaranya ya, suaranya. Oke, you got it?
Got you.
Suaranya. Karena jika belum tahu apa namanya logo-logonya, yang penting tahu suaranya dulu deh. Oke? Nah, ini ada konsonan to vowel, berarti konsonan bertemu dengan vokal. Vokal itu kayak a, i, u, e, o bertemu dengan konsonan. Nah, itu bisa disambungkan. Contoh, misalkan, ini dibacanya apa berarti?
Read it up.
Oke, read it up. Read, ini kan ujungnya D ya, read. Ini konsonan, oke. Saya
Mm-mm.
konsonan. It, berarti kan ini vowel ya.
Oh ya.
Vowel. Konsonan bertemu dengan vowel itu bisa disambung. Read, read it.
Read it.
Nah, ini ada it, ujungnya T bertemu dengan ini konsonan bertemu dengan vowel juga. Berarti bisa disambung juga. Nah, T karena di tengah kata berarti jadinya dibacanya soft D. Jadi read it up.
Read it up.
Read it up.
Read it up.
Oke, lanjut. Coba sama Dika berarti ini.
Brush up.
Brush,
Up.
brush up. It's very basic. Ini malah gampang ya ini mah. Bagian ini mah mudah ya. Ini,
Look over.
oke, look over.
Look
Ini
over.
konsonan bertemu dengan
Vowel.
vowel. Look, ujungnya K ya. Suaranya ujungnya K. Oke, next.
Hold on.
Coba contohnya dibaca. Oke, hold on.
Hold on.
Konsonannya di, hold bertemu dengan vowelnya on. Jadi hold
Hold
on. Terus,
Turnover.
oke, turn over. Next.
Tell her I miss her.
Oke, ini bisa hanya boleh dihapus ya. Tell her I miss
Oh,
her. Boleh.
tell her
Tell her. Ini boleh hanya dihapus. Nanti kita belajar juga sih di bagian yang lain. Tell her I
miss her.
miss her.
Miss her.
Miss her.
Okay. Tell her I miss her.
Tell her I miss her. Terus,
Read only.
read only. Oke. Next.
Follow.
Follow.
Walk around.
Look around. Terus,
Follow up on.
oke, follow up on.
Follow
Follow
up.
up. Ini eh kalau ini bukan bagian konsonan to vowel ya. Ini beda nanti di contohnya di bawah nih. Karena ini belakangnya bukan W, tapi
Oh.
follow.
Oh.
Follow. Follow.
Follow.
Ini upon. Oke. Next.
Come in. Come in.
Oke, come in. Berarti konsonannya apa nih?
C E
Apa konsonannya? Come in.
M.
M. Oke. Next.
Call him.
Call him. Oke.
Sell it.
Sell it.
Check out.
Check out. Oke, kalau ini berarti konsonannya apa?
K.
K. Oke, bukan E ya. Check out. Terus
Fade away.
fade away. Oke, konsonan. Easy?
Yeah.
Very easy. The first section is very easy. Next, please read the example from the sentence.
Let's meet up after the meeting.
Let's meet up. Let's meet up. Ini juga bisa. Let's meet up after.
Let's meet up.
But if it's too complicated, yang penting meet up-nya, oke? Oke, lah terus.
We all went together. We all will.
We all. Kalau ini masuknya yang bawah ya. Ini masuknya yang bawah, bukan termasuk konsonan. Next.
I'm thinking about it every night after I take a bath.
Mana yang bisa disambungin?
About it.
Ini bisa thinking
Thinking about it
about it
after I take a bath.
take a bath. I'm thinking about it every day and every night after I take a bath. Okay?
Okay.
Next.
I'll pick up my mother on the street.
Okay, which one could be connected?
Pick up
Pick
and
up
mother
and mother on the
Mother
street.
on.
I'll pick up my mother on the street. Okay, can you repeat?
I'll pick up my mother on the street.
Okay, good. Next.
My idea is different. Yeah.
My idea
My
is
idea
different.
is different.
Ada nggak konsonan to vowel ya?
Gak ada.
Nggak ada, because ini vowel to vowel and vowel to vowel. Okay, next.
He has an idea about the new project.
Okay, repeat after me, okay? He has an idea about the new project.
He has an idea about the new project.
Okay, which one is consonant to vowel?
Has an
Has an
idea.
idea. Okay,
Okay.
next.
Would you like to have a cup of coffee? Would you like to have a would you like to have Would you like to have a cup of coffee? Cup
Oke.
of coffee.
Oke, mana yang bisa disambung?
Would you
Would you nanti bagian akhir ini Mah, materi bagian
oh,
akhir. Terus have a,
have a cup
terus
of cup of
nah ini dibacanya
cup
cup of
cup of
atau boleh juga kalau di contraction
cup of
couple. Oke, have a cup of coffee. Oke, gimana?
have a cup of coffee.
Oke, have a cup of coffee.
Have a cup of coffee.
Oke, bisa ya? Let's meet up after the meeting. We all went together. I'm thinking about it every night after I take a bath. I'll pick up my mother on the street. My idea is different. He has an idea about a new project. Would you like to have a cup of coffee? Okay. That is consonant to
Vowel.
vowel. The next.
Vowel to
Yang kedua ada vowel to vowel. Nah,
vowel.
kalau vowel to vowel ingat ya, suara. Oke. Tetap ya semuanya sama, suara. Nah, ini ada keterangan. Bila final sound itu kan suara akhir ya.
Ya.
Ketika suara akhirnya i, oke, dan bertemu dengan vowel, maka link up-nya dibaca.
Iya.
Ya, ini kemungkinan dibacanya seperti itu ya. Kalau belakangnya i itu ketemu dengan vowel dan bertemu dengan vowel, itu kata sambungnya disambungnya tuh kayak ada y-nya. Oke? Kayak ada y-nya. Contoh misalkan ini. Ingat ya,
Is.
suara, oke, suaranya. Ini
Iya.
kan he, berarti ini ya, bukan he kan?
Hmm.
Oke, he. Jadi
His.
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 Oke, it's like there is a y in the middle. It's
His.
like, oke, bukan he is, tapi he is. Kayak ada gitu.
His. Oh.
Oke,
His.
oke, next.
See a kid.
Oke, I see a kid.
I see a kid.
Oke, bukan see a kan? I see a kid, tapi
I
see a
see a
kid.
kid. I see a kid. I see
See
a
a
kid.
kid. Oke, kayak ada y-nya kan? I see a kid. Bukan I see a kid, tapi I see a kid. Disambung. Oke? Next.
She always.
Apa?
She always. She
Oke, she
always.
always.
She
She
always.
always. Kayak ada y-nya?
Yeah.
Oke, she
always.
always. Bukan she always, tapi she always.
She always. She
Oke.
always.
Next.
I agree.
Apa?
I agree. I agree.
I agree.
I agree.
Ini bacanya I. I agree.
I agree.
Oke, kayak ada y-nya ya. I agree. Terus?
Sienna.
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 Oke, kayak ada y-nya?
Yeah.
Oke, next.
Be about. Be about to.
Oke, be about to.
To.
Terus?
Lie about everything.
Oke, lie about. Oke.
Lie about.
Bukan lie about kan? Tapi lie about.
Lie about.
Kayak ada y-nya. Terus?
Three angels.
Three,
Three angels.
three angels.
Three angels.
Three angels. Oke, kayak ada y-nya. Oke, you got it?
I got you.
Oke. Try to read the examples.
She is the one who always.
Is.
She is the one who always helps out.
Okay, she is the one who always help out. Okay, she is. Next.
We are. We are. We are. Nah ini berarti disambung juga Mister.
Yeah, we are.
Are.
Are in.
Oh, are in.
We are invited.
We are invited.
Apa gimana? We are invited.
We are in. Oh, we are invited by Mr. Irgi for having a lunch.
Oke.
We are invited.
We are ya, we are-nya ya. Oke.
Oh, we are-nya aja.
Iya, we are-nya aja.
Oh.
Mana emang?
Tak kira are invite juga. Oh,
Iya,
are
are invited. Cuman kan
are
itu kan
in-
consonant to
Oh,
vowel.
ini consonant to
Oke,
vowel.
cuman itu kan consonant to vowel. Kalau vowel to vowelnya we are-nya aja. We are invited
Jadi,
by Mr. Wirgi for having a
they're
lunch.
invited
Ini juga kan having a lunch sama consonant
having
to
a
vowel.
lunch. Yeah.
Ya,
Having a
oke,
lunch.
next.
I agree with you.
I agree with you. I agree. Oke.
I agree.
I berarti I bertemu dengan
Uh,
I bertemu dengan e.
I
Oke.
agree.
I agree with you. Oke. Next.
She is a good student.
Oke.
She is.
She is. She is. She is a good
She is
student.
a good
Oke, ini
student.
konsonant to vowel ya. She is a.
She is a.
Oke, next.
I see a beautiful girl.
I see a
Beautiful,
beautiful girl.
beautiful girl.
I see you.
I see it.
Okay, repeat after me, Andika. She is the one who always helps out.
She is the one who always helps out.
Okay, we are invited by Mr. Irgi for having a lunch.
We are invited by Mr. Irji for having lunch.
Okay, I agree with you. I
I
agree.
agree with you.
Okay, she is a good student.
She is a good student.
I see a beautiful girl.
I see a beautiful girl.
Oke, itu yang kalau ujungnya katanya
Oh,
I bertemu dengan
oh
vowel.
iya.
Nah, apabila final soundnya U, apabila final soundnya U bertemu dengan vowel, nah, maka link up-nya seperti dibaca
Go away.
W. Contoh, ini kan
Go
dibacanya
away.
go atau go ya.
Go away.
Ini
Go away.
dibacanya go atau make
Go
o,
away.
go. Terus away, away. Ini
Go
logonya ya.
away.
Ini fonetik simbolnya nih, mewakilkan suara. Go atau go, ujungnya kan U ya.
Ya.
Oke,
Go away.
bertemu dengan vowel, vowelnya E. Kita sambungkan, ini seperti di tengahnya itu ada W, ada W. Contoh, go away,
Go away.
go away.
Go away. Go away.
Oke, yang selanjutnya ini ada no. Ujungnya no atau no, sama-sama ujungnya U. Oke, di sini juga ada E. U bertemu dengan E, tengah-tengahnya seperti ada W. Know about.
Know about. Know
Bukan
about.
know about. Bukan know
Know about.
about. Tapi disambung mah know about.
Know about.
Oke, know about. Coba lanjutin sisanya, Andika.
Do it now.
Oke, do it. Bukan
Do
do
it.
it, tapi do it, right?
Do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Ada W di tengahnya. Next.
Who always.
Oke, who always. Ada W
Who
lagi.
always. Go on.
Go on.
Go on.
Bukan go on, right? Tapi go on.
Go on.
Oke, seperti ada W. Next.
You are.
You are. Nah, ini jelas banget ya. You are.
You are.
Seperti ada huruf W.
And seven. Seven.
Ini dibacanya so. Ini dibacanya so.
Soalnya ya, so.
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 Sowana.
Sowana.
Oke, Sowana.
Sowana.
Oke, terus?
Tell you about.
Tell you about. Oke.
Tell you about.
I tell you about. Oke, seperti ada W. Oke, understand?
Ya.
Oke. Please read the examples.
We are excited. Excited. We are excited about the trip. About.
Oke. We are excited about the trip. Ada nggak?
Nggak ada.
Nggak ada. Adanya?
Itu
We are, and then?
about the. Excited about.
Excited about. Okay, excited about. We are excited about. We are
We
Okay.
are.
Okay, next.
Do it again. Do it
Hah?
again. Do it. Oh,
Gimana?
do it again.
Do it again. Okay, do it again. Next.
You you are always welcome.
Okay, you are
You are.
always welcome. You are. Okay, next.
I
Baca
I
oh.
owe
I owe you
I owe you an apology.
an apology.
An apology.
I owe you. I owe you an
I
apology.
owe you one.
Okay, you
You
won.
are.
You won.
You won.
Oke, ini bisa disambung juga. I owe you bisa. Oke, oke, you got it.
I got you.
Oke, that is the second theory. Nah, the third ini kalau the third ini termasuknya jarang juga. Oke, yang ketiga itu ada kombinasi apa? Konsonan
Two
bertemu
consonant.
dengan
Sonan.
konsonan. Oke, konsonan bertemu konsonan itu ada kombinasi T, D, S sama Z bertemu dengan
G.
J. Ini suara ya. Dalam phonetic symbol J itu dibacanya Y.
G.
Oke,
Oh.
Di- itu dibacanya Y. Oke, atau nanti mengikuti pola yang ada di sini. Intinya di suara lagi dan lagi ya Dika ya.
Yeah.
T, D, S, and also Z to Y sound.
Yes.
Oke. Sekarang kita lihat. Nah, kalau ini itu bisa di kosakatanya bisa ini. Biar lebih memudahkan ya. Saya make apa namanya? Make eh apa namanya? Make penjelasan yang ada di sininya itu pakai yang huruf aja. Kecuali nanti ada yang paling bawah itu makainya suara ya. Nah, ini bisa pakai huruf. Ada T bertemu dengan
Yeah.
Y. Dibacanya sama dengan
C.
C atau logonya begini ya. C, CH. Contoh, misalkan T bertemu dengan Y, dibacanya C. Repeat after me, okay? What's
Okay.
your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Oke, jadinya watcher,
What's your name?
oke?
What's your name?
Karena ada T sama Y disambung jadi watcher. Biasanya kan what your name disambung jadi what's your name.
What's your name?
Oke. Next. Can't you do it?
Can't you do it?
Can't you do it?
Can't you do it?
Ada T dari kata tidak ya. Tidak bisa. Can you? Oke, can.
You.
Oh my God. Can't you? Can't you do it? Oh my God. Wait. It's not T, right? It's ch. Danger. Can't you do it?
Can't you do it?
Oke. Terus?
Actually.
Actually ini sebagai latihan huruf C ya. Terus?
Actually. Don't you like it?
Don't you like it? Next.
Would you?
Wouldn't you?
Wouldn't you?
Oke. Wouldn't you?
Wouldn't you?
Terus?
Wouldn't you? Haven't you?
Haven't you?
Haven't you?
Terus?
Not yet.
Not yet. Oke. Next dibaca.
I'll let you know.
I'll let you know. Oke, I'll let you know.
Let you know.
Oke.
Can I get you a drink?
Oke, can I get you a drink?
Can I get you a drink?
Bolehkah saya mengambilkanmu minum? Can I get you a drink? Oke. Oke.
We
Next.
thought you weren't coming.
Oke, we thought you weren't coming. Kita kira kamu nggak akan datang. Oke, next.
I'll bet you $10 he forgot.
Oke, I'll bet you $10 he forgot. Oke, bet you. Bet you.
Bet you.
Apa taruhan, ngajak taruhan ini. Oke. Next.
Is that your final answer?
Okay, is that your final answer?
Is that your final answer? Final
Oke,
answer.
gitu ya, bisa ya. T bertemu dengan Y itu dibacanya C.
Ch-
Oke, I will give you real examples. Do you know JKT48?
I know.
Oke, liriknya kan I want you,
Oh yeah.
right?
I
Oke,
want you.
saya ingin kamu, I need you. Nah, itu tuh ada semua nanti. I want you. Oke, oke.
I need
I
you.
want you, I need you, ya,
Yeah.
dan seterusnya. Oke, misalkan ini dibacanya apa?
Need you.
Hit you. Oke, Andika, you got me?
I got you.
I got you, right?
Yeah. I got you.
I got you, bro. Nah, ini karena ada konsonan to konsonan, link up atau liaison. Oke, you got me?
I got you.
Oke, next. Ada D bertemu dengan Y, dibacanya
J.
J, Fadel Baji deh.
Need you.
Fadel Baji
Need
deh.
you.
Oke, J. Ini JH, J, J. Oke, D bertemu dengan Y dibacanya J. Sama kayak misalkan JKT48 ya. I need,
I need you.
I need you. Oke,
Okay.
kita coba ke contoh. Oke, did you see it?
Did
Oke,
did you see it?
oke, did you see it?
Did you see it?
Biasanya kan dibacanya did you, bukan did you.
Did you?
Oke, did you see it?
Did you see it? See it?
How did you like it?
How did you like it?
How did you like it?
How did you like?
Oke, next. Lanjutin.
Could you tell?
Oke, could you tell?
Could you tell?
Oke,
Where did you send your send your where did you send your check?
oke, where did you send your check?
Send your
Oke, where did you send your check? Oke, next.
what did your family think?
Oke,
Did you did you find your keys?
oke, did you find your keys?
Did you find your keys?
Oke,
We followed.
oke, ini kan verb 2 ya. Jadi bilangnya we followed your instruction.
Hah?
We followed your instruction.
We followed your instruction.
Oke, we followed your instruction.
Follow your instruction.
Your, we followed your. Kalau misalkan dibaca tunggal kan we followed. Ujungnya D.
Yeah,
We followed. Nah, kalau disambungin
followed
sama
your-
we followed your instruction.
We followed your instruction.
Oke, gitu ya. The next.
Sure.
The last. The last, Andika. Read.
Congratulations.
Okay, congratulations. No, not congratulations. It's congratulation. Congratulation. Makanya J.
Congratulations.
Okay, congratulation.
Congratulations.
No. Not not chu. Ju. Congratulation.
Congratulations.
Okay. Congratulations. Orang kan sering bilangnya congrats ya, congratulations.
Yeah.
No. It's not congratulations. It's congratulation.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Okay?
Okay.
Congratulations. Okay. Nah, for example, which one is the reference of this material? Misalkan ditanya dari mana referensinya. Nah, you can find this topic into American Accent Training. Boleh dilihat nama judul bukunya American Accent Training, and you can find out all of the example here. If your friends may be asking you about the reference of this topic, the reference is American Accent Training dari buku American Accent Training. It's literally learning about American accent. Okay? You can find out on Google American accent training.
American accent.
Itu referensinya ya, referensi materi ini. Ambil semua referensi dari pronunciation itu ngambilnya dari American accent training. American accent training. Nah, you can try to look for on Google. But I don't know. I think there is no the PDF. Gak ada ini tapi. Okay, next Andika. There is S plus Y.
Sure.
Oke, next. Ada S bertemu dengan Y, dibacanya
Sure. Sure.
sha. Oke, fonetik simbolnya seperti ini. Dibacanya sha.
Sure.
Oke, coba.
Yes, you are.
Yes, you are.
Yes, you are.
Insurance.
Insurance.
Oke,
Bless you.
bless you.
Press your hands
Press your
together.
hands together. Next.
Can you dress yourself? Can you
Oh.
dress yourself?
Oke,
You can pass your exams this year.
oke,
I'll try to guess your age.
oke.
Let him guess your car for you.
Oke, let him guess your car
Sure.
for you. Oke, S bertemu dengan Y jadinya sha.
Sure.
And the last itu ada Z bertemu dengan Y.
Y.
Nah, especially for Z bertemu dengan Y, itu secara pengucapan ya, suara. Ini baik lagi ke suara. Kalau tadi mudah ya, dari huruf aja udah bisa. Nah, kalau sekarang dari suara. Kayak misalkan, nah, di mana nentuin suaranya sih? Misalkan, nih, ini yang pertama dibacanya bukan house, bukan make S, tapi makainya Z, house. Oke, Dika,
House.
house bertemu dengan J ya atau Y.
House.
How's your family?
How's your family?
Oke, jadi J. How's your family?
How's your family?
Oke, ini dibacanya bukan was, bukan S,
Was.
tapi dibacanya
Was your.
was, Z. Oke, how was your trip?
How was your trip?
Oke, lanjutin.
Who's your best? Who's your friend?
Oke, who's your friend?
Who's your
Okay.
friend?
Next.
When's your?
Oh, not when, hey.
Oh. Where's your mom?
Oke, where's your mom?
Where's your mom?
Oke, terus?
When's your birthday?
Oke, when's your birthday?
When's your?
Next.
She says you're okay.
Oke, she says you're okay. Ini dibacanya bukan says. Bukan says, sorry, bukan S, tapi dibacanya
Says
she says you're okay. Okay, try to read.
Who does your hair?
Okay, who does your hair? Okay. Paham ya? Jadi yang agak complicated emang yang terakhir aja nih. Kalau belum terbiasa ngomong j-nya. Oke.